Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall a program from your Windows PC. So let's say you want to remove a program, any application from your Windows. So I'm going to explain you step by step. So first things first, I had to warn you regarding this process. Whatever you're removing from your PC, so you make sure you have a backup always. So whatsoever the reason you are doing changes, or you're deleting something from your PC, and then you end up losing files, so without having any backup. So it's always recommended to have a backup before you do any operations like deleting, uninstalling, or making any major changes in your PC. So I had to warn you, and then I did. So you have to follow the process. So whatever you do, if you don't have any backup, I am not holding any responsible. So just to make clear, okay. Okay, so from this PC, I want to remove VLC player, VLC media player. On the here, you see the desktop, and then I don't want this software in my PC anymore. So let's go ahead and then start how to remove this VLC player from my PC. So I click on start and I type control panel, and then you can select this one, and from here you can see programs, and then uninstall a program. For some people, they might be seeing like this also. So they'll see all the options, so you can click on programs and features, the same one. So what I do for now is leave it as default as category. So you click on programs, and then you click on uninstall a program. See a small link down here, so you click on this one. So from here you select the right software you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove, like I said, a VLC media player. I don't want this anymore in my PC, so in this case I select this one only. So, and also make sure you select the right one and you don't select the YouTube instead of this one. So you will end up losing your files. And yeah, so you select the VLC player, and then you click on uninstall or change. So you click on this one, and the system will ask you like, do you allow this app to make changes to your PC? So you click on yes, and this will pop up the uninstall wizard. So I'll minimize this control panel for you. So this is a VLC player uninstall wizard. So you click on next, and you can also select this one, delete preferences and cache. So that will remove cache, whatever it said before in your PC, and preferences, whichever preferences you set. Like let's say you set some preferences, like add subtitles automatically, or you put equalizers in your audio mode, whichever it is, they will be gone too. So you click on uninstall and click on show details. There's no time. Okay, so it's uninstalled from my PC. As you can see, there is no desktop icon, it's just a remote. So I click on finish. So as of now, I know that VLC player has been uninstalled from my PC, right? So this is step one. And to remove it entirely from your PC, so you need to go to a folder called AppData. If I'm correct, let me see, you can type run and type percentile AppData, then percentile. Yes, this will take you to the AppData, which is in the roaming directly. This is a shortcut, but I don't prefer this way. So I'll tell you one more way to open the AppData, which is UI process, and then you can see everything. Let's go ahead and then open that folder. Then you click on this PC, and you go to local disk C, and you go to users, and you click on your username, whichever it is, like David or Ben or whichever the name will appear here. So the folder, so my username is itcraft. So I double click on this one, and then I open this one. So here there are some hidden files. You don't see it on the screen right now, but I had to do something here. So what I do is I go on click here, like see more, three dots, and I click on options. So once you go to the options, you see in the general tab, but we're not in general, but click on view. Yeah, once you click on view, you will see lots of options, but you have to ignore everything. but you only focusing on hidden files and folders. So in this section, you click on the second one, you check this one, show hidden files, folders and drives. So I click on apply, and yeah, you see lots of hidden files popped up on my PC screen. So in here, you can go ahead and then click on app data. This is the hidden folder. As you can see, it's a little shade. So you click on app data, double click and then open it. So you select, you check all the folders you want to, but normally people do is roaming, but I'll do for you all the folders. So you click on the first one, local. You see any VLC regarding? I don't see anything, so go back and you click on the second one, local. I don't see anything here. Okay, so I'll go back and then click on roaming. I don't see anything here also, because it's been removed. But let's say the folder will look like something like a VLC, or or VLC anything. So the folder will look like this, and then whatever the software you're removing it should be appearing here. I mean, it's not appearing here means that means it's removed entirely. So whatever I just created for an example, so for you to have an idea. So I click on this one, and then I right click on this one and then delete it. So see more options, and then I click on delete. So this is a second step. You need to make sure you go to the app data, and then you remove the folder whichever the software name is matching to your folder. So this is how you do the second step. And the third step is to go to the folder where it's installed. I minimize this one, I open one more time, I go here on the folder, and I click on this PC, click on local disk C, and you click on program files, and then check all the program files if there are any software related to video LAN players. So I see one folder here, so which means I installed in this location only. So I click on this one, there's nothing here, so it's empty. So what I can do is I can go ahead and then right click on this one, and then show more options and delete it. Yes, so now you remove the entire application from your PC. So what you did is you uninstall in the first process using the control panel and then the apps and features. So from there you uninstall it. The second step is you check the app data, which is in your username, and then you go to the app data. It's also hidden, so you need to make sure you click on show hidden files in the properties of the window. And then the third one is you need to check C folder, so the program where you install before, the location. So you go to the location and then see if there is a folder remaining. So that should be non-functional folder, and then you should just have to remove it. The final step is to claim the space for this remove programs. All you can do is I'll minimize this. You go ahead and you recycle bin, and right click on this, and then empty recycle bin, and you do everything. So this will clear up your PC, and then this will claim space for your PC or whichever it is. So this is the process you remove Windows application from your PC. Okay, so all you have to do is uninstall it, and then check the local disk C folder, and check app data, and clear the recycle bin. So this is how pretty much you remove an application from your Windows PC. If you have any questions, anything, you can comment down below, I can follow up. So thank you for watching my video.